Hey my Chiku Piku buddies, today we learn how to do product visualization like a pro. This video divided into 3 parts. This is part 1. If you want to know how I created this can so comment below. I will upload my tutorial of cold drink can. Let's start the product visualization. This time I'm using Blender Kit add-on. Let's click on eye icon and search new girl. Now if you are rich like Mukesh Ambani, so just purchase the model from here. If not, so click on free button and search your type girl model. I'm taking this model because this fit for my product visualization. If you not like this, so fuck off and see the progress. Just kidding, you can select any model you like. Now select the cold drink can and decrease the size according this model, just fit it. And put it perfectly between the breasts in the perfect size, and don't imagine anything. I know the human mind, so I can understand what you think. This is the work, so just concentrate on product visualization. Now this look perfect for me. Now select the other cold drink can and decrease the size. Drag the can and put it front of the model main part. Use the cold drink can for hiding the other part. Now this look perfect for me. Press Shift A and select the camera and adjust the camera as you like. Now press Ctrl Alt 0 for framing. Adjust frame size and resolution according to your model. I select default resolution. Now press Ctrl for applying sub-D and bevel, and then do this to all transformation. Then go to the hair and select hair, then select path to object and select object. In this case, I have already created water drop. Now you can see our model facing pandemic piles problem. Yeah, we solved this, and you can see little bubble on the body. Now we fixing the size and increasing the bubble according to our models. Sometime it's take time. Thanks for watching. Subscribe the channel for more Blender tutorial. I will teach how to create eye caching 3D visualization. And also I will share my journey with you. How I earn money. What's my technique for earning? If you want to learn, subscribe. Again, adjust the cold drink can bubble size and fix it perfectly and play with bubble settings. Yeah, we did it. It's look good now. Product modeling is done and complete. In the second part, we will do some texturing work on our model and texture the human body and many things. If any question you have, so please share question in comment box and we will solve it. And I want to say last thing. Grab anything in your hand like baseball bat, brick, finger, hammer, anything and break the subscribe button. And also break like button. And comment below, yes, I break it. Goodbye my Chiku Piku friends.